9 o'clock na. Wow, madugong wiring. Dalawang blue, tapos isa sa gilid, sensor, heater, seat belt, reclining up and down, another airbag, yun, tornilyo, positive at negative, ayun. Tapos anong tawag niyong isa, yun, okay na, kuha na, clear.